we are. Another day at MK. Get the shop opened up and see what we got going on in here today. There she is. Good morning, beautiful. What is going on at MK today? ¿Qué pasa?
Man?
What you doing, man?
Nothing, man.
You ready to
You
paint?
recording something?
Of course. So this morning when Camilo gets in, we're gonna continue working on this. He pulled this up last night. It's a 91 318 IS. So this morning we're just waiting on some parts to get here. BMW should be showing up anytime now with the fender. We'll get that into the spray booth so Carlos can paint that. And meanwhile, Camilo's gonna keep straightening this thing up here. ¿Qué pasa, man?
Mira, sandwich.
You got a sandwich for me?
No, the...
Is the mouse? Oh shit, my sandwich fell. Yo, thank you, man. You saved the day. My guy's always looking out for me over here. I got a little mouse in this office after that sandwich stayed on the floor a little too long. It wouldn't have been there. So last night, before the end of the day, we got the BMW up on the frame machine, got the Camaro down. It's a 91 E30. It's a 318 IS, full track car. I was brought over here by High Speed Motorsports in Milford. They bring us a lot of these cars once they crash around the track, and we got to straighten them back out. So we got this up here today. This will be today's little project. Camilo started working on it last night before we left, but I'll show you guys what's going on in here so far. Damage was up here. Crushed the front of the radiator support, corner of the apron. Check out the cage in this thing. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get into, but it is. It's sick. It's pretty serious. Got bars everywhere. Jungle gym. So let's wait for Camilo to get here and get going on this thing.
Hola, sweetheart.
Buenos dias!
Muy buenos días.
This guy's not awake yet. You ready to start this BMW?
Yeah.
Gotta give my man a few minutes to wake up. He hasn't had his coffee yet. Monkey's a little angry. I like to think of myself as a bacon, egg, and cheese connoisseur. This one comes from Lighthouse Deli in Stratford, Connecticut, but there's a few spots around that got really, really good ones. This one is really good, but I can't start my morning without a bacon, egg, and cheese. Probably a mental thing, but I just need it. That and like 5 grams of kratom just to keep the boost moving. You guys like bacon, egg, and cheeses? Put a comment in the section below where you think the best bacon, egg, and cheese is. What state are you in? What's the deli's name? Because if I'm ever there, I will try it. This guy's dedicated to this car. He's already started putting the fender on. He didn't even drink his coffee yet. He wanted to paint it.
You wanna paint it right now?
Oh.
So before you paint it.
That means I'm gonna be his little paparazzi today.
Yeah. Maybe no those holes.
Oh yeah, for the pins. Is it close? Maybe. Getting better.
Getting there.
It's not perfect. The hood's not perfect. He got the fender painted. He didn't tell me. He got his robo suit on, eating his muffins. He's got it in base right now. He's getting ready to put clear on it. So we'll jump back in here with him as soon as he's ready to spray. Look at all this paint. It's Carlos' computer, where all the crazy mixing goes down. Laying down another coat of base. Yo, you going to Area 51 with that?
I would.
So order this over and then this too, right? You say it was
Yeah, I
cut.
got the fan, I have the shroud.
Something like that. I think we just cut it here and here. Yeah. Okay, so. Those are the headlight bracket.
Okay, these are the headlight bracket. Okay, so. The signal lights. So, where are they at? Where do they go?
In that box?
Right here. Oh, okay, they go in the bumper, right?
They go in that piece.
Yeah. Look at this, it cracked good too. But I wonder if that was like, look, because it looks like it's rusted, right? Think it was like that? Not that it's still gonna get fixed, but.
You gonna put it now?
No fray in my heart, man. In my heart, I'm not afraid.
You choose love over fear?
Nice and loose.
Waiting for the last adjustment.
You don't mind being on camera, do you, George?
No, what?
You want to say how that accident happened? You were the driver.
Oh, hell no. The guy was an asshole. He don't know how to drive.
No, I said you were the driver of this car. You want to explain how that accident happened? No comment?
Bring the guy here and put him on that side of the car.
Yeah.
And then
you
ask
get a
me
real
the
show.
question.
Then you get a real show.
He just says to me, do you have anything to drink today? I go, don't even fucking go there. Let's do a breathalyzer, blood work, hair follicles, fucking urine. Do it all. He came to the stop sign, he stops, he looks, he sees me, and he pulls out in front of me. I'm like, what is this, fucking tag? But you don't know how much I wish I was in my dump truck. Because I got out of the car and I started screaming. My car was into his and I'm screaming, getting out of the car. And I'm like, I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. I just started when I got out of the car. I'm like, dude, if you're not fucking hurt, stay in the fucking car because I'm gonna fucking hurt you. Stay the fuck in that car. Don't fucking get out. I don't care if it catches on fire. Stay the fuck in that car. And he's lifting up the airbag looking out. I'm like, don't look at me. Then this big cop, he goes, I'm an off-duty cop. I says to him, you aren't shit. I already been through this in Norwalk. No uniform, no badge, no car. Bozo. And I walked away from him. He's like, what'd you say to me? I says, Bo fucking Zo. You're not a cop, asshole.
That's a one-of-a-kind air scoop right there. That's a rat rod scoop.
Uh-huh. Voila.
Voila. Voila.
Can't do nothing about this.
A little self-tapper piece of Gorilla Tape. Take it out of the Formula Drift toolbox.
That's it.
That's it, man.
Vamos.
What a beautiful job.
Oh, you got the grill in there.
Oh, you know.
At least the slicks are new. Get the old 70 fired up. This Muncie's just as stiff as the Chevelle. I love how fast this little small block revs. Check this out. Dope. We gotta get the BMW off the lift now. So we gotta get the Subaru up there. I think he's gonna pick up the E30 tonight or tomorrow. But let's get this thing down. Oh yeah. With the steering wheel detached. Did it yesterday. Forgot that it came off. That's it for our exciting ride. Shut her down. Well, that's it for today, guys. We got the BMW done. We've got some progress on the Honda Odyssey that's in there. The Cadillac SRX was being worked on today, so we're going to continue on that tomorrow. The Camaro is apart, sitting, waiting for parts, so we'll keep up on that. I'll keep you guys updated as parts come in. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.